Yeah, this is one of the farms I visited in Ogun State. A very big farm. They have healthy animals. So we are buying from this farm. I'm buying all these ones at the slaughter street. This is Ogun State. This is Wasimi in Ogun State. It's one of the biggest farms we have here. You can see the animals. They are healthy. Very clean animals. You can see the staff working. They have a very big, a very good breed. You can see the male, the female. They have a good breeders. So if we are interested in buying from them, you can contact me. Okay. You see the animal. They even have Duroc. They have Duroc. I'm showing you the rest of the farm. There's another section for the winners. Another section for the winners. You see, these are the winners. Well done. You can see, we have a lot of winners. We have a lot of winners. Doing a very good job. You can see. I have a lot of animals here. And they're very healthy. Very, very healthy. Still have another section at that place. So if you are interested in getting animals or setting up your pigs farm, you can contact me on 08066 Thank you. This is Snatch Fish Farm. This is a breeder session. Okay. Very big farm.